Here we have a Belimo heating valve actuator that's stuck. And it looks about halfway. It should be in the closed position. We're going to go ahead and replace this one. The actuator was slipping off of the valve. This is me unscrewing it. And this is me just taking it off the mount. It's just two tabs there. And you can see the valve there. This is with the mount on, what it looks like. There's a long screw that ties into that valve to hold it from slipping, but this actuator was failing. So this is what a new one looks like. Key thing to remember here is they go on a certain way, counterclockwise or clockwise. They need to fail in the spring open position for heating. And so those are the wiring issues. You got the 24 power and your 0 to 10 volt control. When reconnecting the new actuator, you'll know there's 4 wires from the earlier scene: red, orange, white, and black. Belimo specifies these with Y and U. Y is your control voltage and U is the feedback. So first I'm just going to make sure I got 24 AC on the red, and then I want to check my Y to make sure I'm getting my 0 to 10 volts DC control. It's important to test your wires before connecting them. After it's all hooked up, you can see that we go to the full closed position. And I'm just testing it now with the 0 to 10 volt control. You can see it slowly starting to open. When installing these, it's always important to know which way the Belimo needs to be inserted. So as this was a heating valve application, we want them to fail open, but we don't want them to fail closed. Just with heating, it's always better to have heat than to have it to shut and have no heat, especially with freeze protection. So this one will spring open. And you can just see the comparison. The one on the left is new and the one on the right. And you can see it fully opens as well. And that's pretty much it. New actuator in, how the heating valve fully operational.